Hello everyone, hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm also good, right? So in this we want to talk about what is variables in Python and how we can declare it and print it, right? So basically Python is some kind of name which is used to store values and data in Python, right? And the values can be a name, a word, a number, integer, and also boolean values, right? Is simple. So let's see on the screen how we can create and print the here we are. Let's create a separate file for variable and to the job variables.py, and we are using py because you all know that py is a extension in Python for files, right? So let's start with what I've started here. Let's start with the greeting message for me, right? Is like hello Anand, right? Simple. Now let's create a variable with the name of name, right? And here we are giving this name a string value, right? And in string value we have to use quotes, right? And it doesn't matter whether you are using single quote or double quote, but we have to use quotes, right? So we are using single quote and the value we are giving is animals, right? And we want to print this thing, I would say this variable name, so name, right? And here we go, we are going to print this, and here animals, right? Now again, if someone wants to print a number value, right, then we can also do that by other variable name number, and we are giving this number a random number, right? Now we want to print this, we can print this in this way number. Here we go. Let's print, oops, yep, here we go, animals and 5434, right? So this is the way how you can create and print the number, variable and its value, right? And one more thing, variable, sorry, Python is a case sensitive language. That means small a is not equal to capital A in simple way, right? So this is all for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.